Next today's topic is statistics. In that first one, in a data the number I is repeated I times. For I equal to 1, 2, 3 so on. I equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, and I repeated I times, then the mean of the data. That means clearly it is a discrete frequency distribution. For discrete frequency distribution we have xi and fi. Xi values are 1, 2, 3 and so on, n. I repeated I times means 1 repeated 1 time, 2 repeated 2 times, 3 repeated 3 times. That means frequencies that are. So 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n. So here xi repeated I times means frequencies. 1 repeated 1 time, it's frequency 1. 2 repeated 2 times, 3 repeated 3 times and so on, n repeated n times. Now we required, what we required? Mean of the data. So mean is equal, for discrete frequency distribution, mean is equal to sigma fi xi by capital N. Capital N is sigma fi, that means sum of frequencies. Now sigma fi xi, that means sum of the product of this 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus n into n by n means sigma fi, sum of the frequencies 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to n. 1 into 1 1 square, 2 into 2 2 square, n into n square. That means sum of the squares, that is sigma n square by sigma n. What is sigma n square? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 divided by denominator is sigma n. What is sigma n? N into n plus 1 by 2. So n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1. 2 divides 6 3 times. So then remains 2n plus 1 by 3. Next, second one. The mean of 10 observations is 16.3. The mean of 10 observations 16.3. By an error, one observation is registered as 32 instead of 23. ఒక అబ్జర్వేషన్ అందులో 32 తీసుకున్నాం ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 23 తీసుకోవాల్సింది యాక్చువల్ గా 32 తీసుకున్నాం. దెన్ ద కరెక్ట్ మీన్ ఈజ్, నౌ కరెక్ట్ మీన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు the first of the total the 10 items. What is the mean of 10 items? 16.3 into 10. ఇందులో 10 ఐటమ్స్ లో ఒక అబ్జర్వేషన్ రాంగ్ గా తీసుకున్నాం. 23 తీసుకోవాల్సింది 32 గా తీసుకున్నాం. సో ఆ 23 ని తీసేయండి, సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 23 రిజిస్టర్డ్ యాజ్ 32 ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 23. దట్ మీన్స్ ప్లస్ 32 రాంగ్ తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి దాన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి. దాని ప్లేస్ లో ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? యాక్చువల్ గా 23 తీసుకోవాలి. 23 plus 23 by number of observations same 10. So that means 16.3 into 10 163 minus 32 plus 23. What is this value? 9 by 10. That equal 163 minus 9 is 154. 154 by 10, that means 15.4. Next, third one. Consider the frequency distribution of the data given numbers. Value and frequency given distribution. The value and its frequency is given. Value and its frequency. What is the value given? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And their frequencies 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 8. Then the mean is 3. Then find the value of f. What is given mean? Mean is equal to 3. 3 equal mean. Then find the value of f value we required. Now clearly this is discrete frequency distribution. For discrete frequency distribution, what is mean formula? Sigma fi xi by capital N. That is equal to 3. Capital N means the sum of the frequencies. Now substitute that value. Sigma fi xi 1 into 5 plus 2 into 8 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 into f by sigma n, sorry n. N means sigma fi, sum of frequencies. 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus f is equal to 3. That 3. Now 5, 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5, 21 plus 18. 21 plus 18, 39. 39 plus 4f is equal to, bring this value this side. 5 plus 4, 9, 15. 15 plus f into 3, 15 into 3, 45. 15 plus f, 15 into f, sorry, 3 into f, 3f. Now we require f value only. 3f bring this side, 4f minus 3f is f. 39 bring that side, becomes 45 minus 30, 39. That becomes 6. Now fourth one. The mode of the following distribution is marks number of students. Marks number of students. Now marks 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Their marks, 4 marks got 3 members, 5 marks got 5 members, 6 marks got 10 members, 7 marks got 6, 8 got 1. Marks number of students. Next we require the value mode. Mode. What is mode? Mode means 3 median minus 2 mean. Align it. Otherwise, for this, the most repeated value. The most repeated value. Value in the given data. So, what is the most repeated value? Observe here. 4 marks. ఎంతమందికి వచ్చాయమ్మా? 3 members కి వచ్చాయి. అంటే 4 repeated 3 times. Next. 5 repeated 5 times. 5 marks got 5 members. అంటే 5 అనేది 5 members కి వచ్చాయి. Next 6 repeated how many times? 10 times. That means 6 marks got 10 members. 10 members 6 వచ్చిందంటే 6 10 times ఉన్నట్టు. Next 7 marks 6 members కి వచ్చాయి. 8 marks 1 member. అంటే మోస్ట్ నెంబర్ రిపీటెడ్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి ఇందులో? సో 10 కాదు ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాల్సింది. 10 marks 10 members కి ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి? 6 marks వచ్చాయి కాబట్టి that 6 is repeated most number of times. So its mode is 6. Next, fifth one. The geometric mean of. Arithmetic mean అంటే sum of the observations by number of the observations. Now geometric mean, GM of 2 square, 2 cube and so on, 2 power n. Now the GM, the geometric mean of n observations is, how many numbers we have here? 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and so on n terms. So nth root of product of these terms, 2 into 2 power 2 into 2 cube into and so on, 2 power n. That is nth root of root over. So here a power m into a power n into a power like that. So 2 powers add చేయండి, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to n. Now simplify this. Nth root of 2 power 1 plus 2 plus 3, that means sum of n natural numbers. What is sum of n natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. So now remove root, that means 2 power n into n plus 1 by 2 whole power 1 by n. So nth root means whole power 1 by n. Square root means whole power 1 by 2. Cube root means whole power 1 by 3. Here we have nth root, so whole power 1 by n. N gets cancelled. Then remains 2 power n plus 1 by 2. Next, sixth one. The harmonic mean of 2, 3, 4. The harmonic mean of n terms. Here we have how many terms? 3 terms we have, 2, 3, 4. Harmonic mean is 3 by 3 terms ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 3 by reciprocal of the given numbers. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So 2, 3, 4. The harmonic mean of 2, 3, 4 అన్నారు కాబట్టి. What is the harmonic mean? the reciprocal of the mean of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals. That means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 3 అని వస్తుంది. 3 న్యూమరేటర్ లో తీసుకెళ్తే 3 by. సపోజ్ 2 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి 2 by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. n నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి n by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 and so on. ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చాడో నేర్చుకోవాలి. Now 3 by, simplify this. For 2 and 3 6 LCM, 6 and 4 12 LCM. So 2 divides 12 6 times 6 plus 3 divides 12 4 times 4. 4 divides 12 3 times 3 into 1 3. So 12 numerator like this kelte 3 into 12 by 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 3 13. So 3 12 are 36 by 13 is the harmonic mean between those three numbers.